Something good gonna happen in this year, and I am grateful that I made it here. Yesterday's gone and a new day has appeared, and I am grateful.
Hey, you hungry? You want something sweet? Well, I'm gonna make a sour cream pound cake for my classmate. Come on, let me show you what you're gonna need. Eggs, a stick and a half of butter, vanilla, baking soda, 3 cups of sugar, cup of sour cream, 3 cups of flour. That's it. That's all. 2 things you gotta do before you start to make sure that your cake comes out perfectly. Don't come over here questioning my credibility. I've been baking for all of 5 minutes. I know what I'm talking about. You have to sit your eggs and your butter out at the beginning of the day, or whenever you're about to do it ahead of time. It has to be room temperature. That's gonna make it, that's the foundation of your cake. And the sugar has to cream smoothly. And so when you begin to add your eggs, everything comes together effortlessly. So, okay? I know what I'm talking about. I've been doing this. I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. That's the first thing. Number 2, your spirit gotta be right, okay? The vibes has gotta be going. If you ain't vibing when you baking, what is you making? That's a word? Man, girl, that's a word. What did I say? So I'm gonna put this music on, and then I actually then sift my flour too. Make sure you sift your flour. I sift mine about 10 times. So I'm gonna sift my flour, old school sifter with the handle, get these vibes going in this kitchen, and then I'm gonna be back and I'm gonna show you what we about to do. We finna make it do what it do. This is Swan's Down cake flour. Typically I use all-purpose flour and I just make cake flour. If you do not have any Swan's Down cake flour, you can use regular flour. To make it, you would just take out, for every cup that your recipe calls for, you take out 2 teaspoons of all-purpose flour and replace that with 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Boom, your cake flour. After you cream the butter and the sugar together, add your eggs one at a time. Not all of them at the same time. Don't listen to nobody else. Listen to me. One at a time, and then you're gonna mix them, not completely, but just turn it on and let them mix just enough, just good enough, and then add your next one till you get all 6 in there. Batter right now is in kind of liquidy because of the eggs. We're gonna add the sour cream, and then we're gonna beat that just until that's mixed. Do not overbeat it. Gradually add our flour a little bit at a time. I'm using a 1/2 cup measure to add it just a little bit at a time. We're gonna add it, beat that in a little bit, and then add it until you're done. I'm gonna add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. You can add it to your flour before you put it in here, or you can add it directly in here. It don't matter, same thing. And you're gonna also add a teaspoon of vanilla, and then I'm gonna show you what it look like. The batter is supposed to look like, let me let you get up in now. Get up in now. Look at that. About to pour it out. Look at that. Get up in now. We finna taste it. I don't care what you say, but we don't give nobody nothing when you taste it ahead of time. Just in case you need to make any adjustments, it might need some more vanilla or something, or a different flavor. So yeah, that's it right there. Don't ask me how I know. It's in the pan. Flour your pan. I'm gonna find my pan, flour it, and we're gonna put it in the oven 325 for an hour, 10-15 minutes. Cake is out the oven, and this is what we got.
$1 million bundt cake. Hey, Big Rico pallets coming soon.
This is a sour cream bundt cake.
A sour cream bundt cake
Pound
coming.
cake.
Whatever is coming soon. It comes to your nearest stores near you. Now, hey, the best chef in town cooked it up. she had a little help in it, but I came and cooked it up too. Hey, like, subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, hit the subscribe button. It's free. Hey, if you want to see more content like this, because your boy can always bring some heat when I come in the spot. So you already know. I'm finna go ahead and get roll up out of here. And I'll tune in next time.
All right. That's BJ for you. He had to, what he said. So we about to make the icing. Confectioner sugar, butter, milk. I wanted a little tart. Well, they actually requested it to be a little bit tart. So we're going to do a little bit of lemon juice and flavoring. You can use vanilla to go with the cake, or you can use almond, whatever you like. But we're going to make this icing, put it on the cake, put the thing in the container, and we have to dough. Babe, hold on. Look at that. That's a pretty cake. And this right here is it. See, it's a lot of things you can play with me about, but when it comes to getting in that kitchen, that ain't one of them. When I tell you I came back with crumbs and probably just 4 of them on the container. That's it. That's all. Wait till I do that oxtail video. Lord have mercy. Don't play with that girl.